A luxury horn and leather duffel bag combines two very different materials, each contributing its own unique strength and natural character. Strong leather body, smooth handles, polished hardware, and carefully finished edges define this premium travel companion's refined character.
Hidden inside this familiar product is something most people would never expect. Natural horn, skillfully combined with premium leather.
The finished bag looks elegant and effortless, but behind every polished surface lies a long and demanding manufacturing journey ahead. Sorting, cleaning, cutting, shaping, machining, polishing, stitching, and inspection all shape this bag before it reaches its owner. A luxury horn and leather duffel bag combines two very different materials, each contributing its own unique strength and natural character. Shipments of prepared leather and raw horn components arrive in organized batches for easy identification and accurate tracking. Washing, brushing, scraping, and controlled drying create a stable surface ready for accurate inspection and careful processing later. Once materials are clean and prepared, the factory begins converting them into usable, individual components for the finished bag. Now the materials begin taking recognizable shapes, moving one step closer to becoming a finished luxury travel product.
Horn sections are measured and marked according to the exact dimensions required for the final design of the bag.
Precision cutting equipment separates usable horn sections from areas unsuitable for premium duffel bag production and further processing.
Large leather hides are positioned carefully so the strongest, most consistent sections are used for the bag's key parts.
Computer-guided cutting systems follow precise templates, carefully minimizing waste while maintaining accurate dimensions across every leather piece cut. Raw materials are becoming individual components, though they still look nothing like a finished luxury duffel bag yet. The difference becomes visible immediately, as a naturally irregular piece develops a smooth, reflective finish that complements the leather beautifully. Every component must now be accurate enough to fit together perfectly during the upcoming, important manufacturing assembly process. Leather panels are positioned and joined according to the design, ready for the upcoming, detailed stitching process ahead. Workers combine machine precision with manual judgment, since hundreds of individual decisions shape the finished appearance of every bag. Gradually, separate pieces become one complete luxury duffel bag, ready to move toward the next careful inspection stage. Fasteners and reinforcement stitching are checked once more before the bag advances toward the detailed quality control process. The bag now carries every defining feature: structure, hardware, lining, and its beautifully polished, elegant horn accents. Before the bag can leave production, it enters a detailed, thorough quality inspection checkpoint before the final shipping process. If a component fails inspection, it may be corrected, refinished, or rejected before moving forward in the production line. Only approved products continue toward final preparation, ready for the careful, protective packaging process that follows immediately next. Each approved bag now carries confirmed quality, ready to begin its final preparation for shipping to customers worldwide. Protective materials are placed around delicate surfaces, especially the polished horn and finished leather areas, before packaging continues. Boxes are sealed and organized for transportation, ready for the next stage of distribution across the wider supply chain. Conveyors and organized packing stations move finished products efficiently through the busy packaging area toward the final warehouse storage. Packaged products move into the finished goods warehouse, entering a new stage of organized storage before final distribution begins. Boxes are positioned on racks or pallets according to destination and specific order requirements set by the logistics team. Forklifts and warehouse equipment move larger groups of products safely through designated storage areas within the large, modern facility. The warehouse acts as a bridge between manufacturing and distribution, preparing bags for their next journey around the world. When an order is ready, appropriate cartons are brought from storage to the dispatch area for final shipment preparation. Workers carefully verify quantities and shipping information before loading begins at the busy dispatch dock area each day.
Easy now, keep coming straight back. All right, lower it down slowly. Okay, pull out.
The bags begin traveling toward distributors, wholesalers, retail networks, showrooms, and regional warehouses located throughout the wider region. The factory doors close behind them as the production journey becomes a commercial journey outward into a wider global network. The bags now move through a global network designed to place finished goods with customers everywhere around the entire world. Eventually, the packaged duffel bag reaches a showroom, luxury retailer, or specialty distribution center, ready to be displayed.
The leather is incredibly soft,
It's having talk with special.
and the horn detail is exquisite.